A couple of weeks ago, I was driving from Livonia, Michigan, my hometown outside of Detroit, back to Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, where I live with my family. Knowing the quickest route, because I've driven this route countless times over 20 years, I set out. But a couple hours into the trip, as I was nearing Battle Creek, I realized there were brake lights ahead. Fortunately, despite being familiar with the ideal route and my destination, I had Google Maps as a guide and co-pilot. So, glancing at the dashboard, I noticed an alternative route that would save me 50 minutes if I changed course and got off the interstate at the next exit. Taking this alternate route reminded me that in both road trips and business ventures, unexpected situations are inevitable. No matter how well we plan, there will almost always be surprises along the way, plus multiple routes we can take to reach the same goal. And waiting to start the journey until we have every detail accounted for can prevent us from even embarking on the journey toward our goals in the first place. Sometimes these detours can lead to valuable discoveries or faster progress, just as taking the alternate route helped me reach my destination faster than I would have if I had stubbornly stuck to my original plan, because that original plan was the most direct route and the route everyone else takes when they're traveling from Sun Prairie to, or when they're traveling from Livonia to Sun Prairie. So why is it that if we're willing to let a guide help us see the slowdown and offer alternative routes in our everyday routines, we're often so hesitant to do the same in business? See, in our businesses, we often fall into the trap of letting perfection get in the way of progress. We're waiting for perfection, the perfect message, the perfect offer, the perfect lead generation piece, or to create the perfect email sequence before taking action. By the time we take action, we've invested so much time or money that we're not willing to consider another route when we're partway down the road and encounter something we didn't expect. This mindset hinders progress. It has mine at times. So instead of waiting for perfection, we need to shift gears and focus on making consistent progress. So determine where you want to go. Take strategic steps each week toward that goal, and adapt your approach as you gain learning, encounter challenges, or run into unexpected delays. In simpler terms, focus. Identify one change that would make the biggest impact on your business or marketing efforts. Act. Then take strategic action by choosing 1 to 2 tasks every week that move you closer toward the change you want to see or the goal you want to reach. Then refine. Adjust your approach when faced with obstacles or delays. Once you reach your goal, or you've taken consistent action for at least 13 weeks, reassess and decide on your next focus area. And don't be afraid to get someone, whether it's a coach, a community, or a trusted friend or colleague who will hold you accountable and help you see the pros and cons of alternative routes as you make your plans and move towards your destination. This week, reflect on your business plans. Are you waiting for perfection in one area where taking action might be more beneficial? If so, reach out. Let's discuss how you can shift gears and start moving towards your goals. Until next time, if you know one person who would benefit from this tip, please share it. And if you want to be sure not to miss any other marketing tips as they're published, subscribe to this channel.